Okay, so now I'm showing the different pieces that I put together for the desk. By the way, this is what it looks like now. I'm using my kid's toy box just to hold that piece up for leverage. So I'm going to be putting, so these are the desk pieces. So this big piece here is linked to that gray piece. So this piece here is 24. That big gray piece is 33. Then these pieces, this is 17, 18, and this piece here is 16. Okay, so 16, 17, 18, and then those pieces here are 20, 19, and 25 and 25. So those are the desk pieces. Next, I'm going to be putting those together up here.